Let's explore how we are subconsciously drawn to certain people's scent to ensure genetic compatibility. Your body odor is the external manifestation of the genes of your immune system. If you have a child with someone who has a genetically similar immune system, they inherit recessive traits, which means children run the risk of developing illnesses that could kill them before they become reproductively active. Therefore, on biological terms, the ultimate goal of each individual is to ensure that his or her genetic makeup is represented as much as widely as possible in future generations. There are more than 100 MHC genes on human chromosome 6, and so many versions of each gene. In a typical population of 100,000 people, only 2 or 3 people are likely to match very closely. Researchers suggest animals and people prefer to mate with others that are different in their MHC genes. Scientists speculated that this attraction is due to prevent inbreeding, or a way for animals to ensure that their offspring would have immune systems diverse enough to fight as many diseases as possible. Therefore, people are innately attracted to those who are genetically dissimilar. In a sweaty t-shirt experiment, each woman was asked to give ratings for intensity, pleasantness, and sexiness to 3 t-shirts from men with similar MHC genes and 3 from men whose MHC genes were less similar. The women preferred the shirts belonging to the men with the most dissimilar immune systems. This proved that people can sniff out genetic differences and that odor signals that its owner has desirable immune genes that would help offspring fight off diseases. When using just sweaty t-shirts of genetically dissimilar men in the experiment, women at their most fertile time of month preferred the t-shirt odor of the fittest looking men. Women who are not taking birth control and who are dissimilar to a particular male's MHC perceive his odor as more pleasant than women whose MHC is more similar to that of the test man. According to the experiment, if a woman was taking birth control, which partly mimics pregnancy, she gave higher ratings to the men with similar MHC. These results conclude women on birth control choose men who are genetically similar to them. Women seek men with similar genetics because they feel more like a family member and thus more protective of them.